Okay, Stuart, starting to look pretty clean over here. Cleaned the forward part of the cylinder head for you. And then down here, everything's looking pretty good. I'm going to put some sealant on the head gasket sticking out here, but clean the surfaces here. Blew out all these threaded holes with gasoline. I don't think I need to chase those with a cleaning tap. They all look pretty good. So we're pretty much to the point of getting ready to put the chain on. But what a job, I tell you what. You can kind of see there. I'm not sure if somebody asked me to get a motor as dirty as the previous owner got this one. I'm not quite sure how I go about it, you know. I'm going to run through the head bolts, make sure they're torqued down, everything's okay, nothing's busted or anything. And then probably get on to putting the chain on here the next day or so. But I just thought you'd get a kick out of seeing kind of the state of thing. And for anyone on YouTube who, you know, who's curious, like, how do you get stuff so clean? I get that question from time to time. And, you know, I post in the replies, and I think people think I'm joking with them. But I get a bamboo chopstick from, you know, like a sushi place. And then you got to get the good ones. The ones that are actually bamboo, and they have like a little square piece on the back, and they're only connected at the back, and then you snap them off. And I use the bench grinder, grind a little angle on the front and the back, and I just use it like a little scaling tool like you would see at the dentist's office, you know. And then I chase that, and I have a spray bottle with gasoline in it, spray that all around, and then I just use like a old microfiber rag, get down in there, gasoline, you know, scrape around with the chopstick to free stuff up, spray the gasoline. Sometimes if it's a little crevice I can't quite get, I take the microfiber rag, soak it in gasoline, and then scrub it in with the chopstick. So I use the chopstick to jam it down in there, and you can see the difference between like how the back of the motor looks, you know, and then kind of how this area that I cleaned up, and up under here was all caked on grease and everything. And I use the little chopstick trick to go all around there, spray gasoline. And then to clean this surface right here in preparation for putting the new timing cover on, I just got a little stainless steel bristle brush. I'll put the link in the video where I get them. I buy them, you know, 6 or 12 at a time from McMaster-Carr. And, you know, just don't underestimate the power of gasoline to dissolve grease, kind of is the deal. And then, you know, I hit these holes with some gasoline and compressed air, and as you can see, it's really starting to clean up pretty nice. Now, I'm just doing this front dual row timing chain for my buddy, but, you know, you could apply the same process to the entire truck. You'd be surprised what just some gasoline and a little elbow grease and microfiber rag will do. So anyways, all right, we're getting it knocked out here. Should have the dual row timing chain on pretty soon. All right, thanks for watching.